Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video, we will look at how to build a Python web application which allows you to export PDF document pages into PNG images. So we'll be using a Streamlit solution, which is an open source way to building web application fast in Python. So I have this file right here, which is pdf2images. So it is automatically opened this application on port number 8501. So if I go to localhost 8501, so this is your application convert PDF to images. So here you can select the image file, sorry, PDF file that you want to. So you will see as soon as I selected, each PDF page has a button right here below. You can export each individual page into an image. So there is a button right here, download page 1 as image, download page 2 as image. So if I click this button, my page 1 will be converted into a JPG file, JPG image file. So now you can see your PDF page has been exported to an image file. So in this way, easily you can export any individual pages of the PDF file to individual images very easily. So it's a web application that I want to develop in this video. So for doing this, we are using pdf2image Python package. So pdf2image is a free open source Python package which allows you to convert your PDF documents into images. So this is the module. So you need to simply install this using the pip command, pip install pdf2image. And also we are using this Streamlit solution, which is a faster way to build web applications inside Python. So it's completely free, open source. So now to get started, just create a simple Python file and then we'll be importing the Streamlit package at the very top. And then we'll be importing the pdf2image, and from this we will import this method which is convert from path. And from input output we will import bytes.io, which is a built-in package. And we will also be using the pillow library as well for downloading the images. So pillow, if you don't know, it's a Python package so for image processing. So you can install this using the command pip install pillow, pillow. So and then we need to import the temporary file module, which is a built-in module in Python to create temporary files. So here we'll be giving the title to the app, which is convert PDF to images. So if you now start this application, automatically refresh, Streamlit run followed by the name of the application. So it supports auto refresh. So whenever you make changes, it will automatically refresh. So you will see the title. Then we will write this short little description using the write method, which is this app will convert. So upload a PDF file. So then this Streamlit has a pre-built component, drag and drop component, where we can actually allow the user to. So it has this file uploader method. Here you will simply say choose a PDF file. The second argument is the type of files that we will be allowing the user. So we will be allowing the PDF files only. So with the single line of code, you will see this drag and drop functionality pre-built. So we don't need to make this from scratch. So Streamlit offers these components, pre-built components. And now we'll be having this button, which will be simply be comparing if this files have been uploaded. This if condition will be evaluating to true. And then we'll be having this try catch block. We'll having this exception. If any sort of exception take place, we can show this exception. So inside this try block, we will write the code. So first of all, we need to save this PDF as temporary file. So for doing this, we will use the temporary file module, temp file, and it contains a function which is named temporary file, and here it takes the argument delete to false. So this means that the file will be deleted after processing from the temporary location. So delete is set to false, and we need to provide the suffix, which is will be a PDF document. So dot PDF. So as temporary file. So inside this, we need to write this temporary file. So here need to provide the actual file. So uploaded PDF, we need to read this. So we'll be using the read method. So first of all, the whatever the file is selected by the user, we will read that file using the read function, and then we'll be storing it in the as a temporary file using the write function. And then we will get the path using this temporary PDF. We'll get the name of the file by using the name property. So after this, we need to convert this PDF to images. So for doing this, we'll create a new variable PDF images, and then we'll be using this function convert from path, which is coming from this open source package pdf2image. This function actually takes the path of the file. So temporary PDF file, we'll pass it, and then the second argument is a DPI value. So you can set this to 300, or you can change it as well. This simply means the quality of the image being taken. So DPI is 300, which is more than enough. And then we need to display these images for each page. So we'll be using the for loop for I page in enumerate PDF pages. So enumerate will actually loop through each PDF pages which is present in this variable PDF images. It's an array of images. We are looping through each image. So what we will do, st.image will show this image for each page, and we'll give it a caption right here, which will be page. So which will be I plus 1. So this will be page 1, page 2, page 3. So essentially we are looping through. And then the second property we need to give, which is use underscore column width to be true. This means that the image will take the full space. That's all that we need to do. So we will see each image will show. So if you, I think if you select now your PDF file, so it is saying that the PDF pages is not defined. Oh, sorry, this needs to be PDF images, I think. Just rename this to PDF pages because it's a PDF pages, not PDF images. So PDF pages. So now you'll see two images are showing right here. This is the first page. This is the first page of the PDF document. This is the second page, page 1, page 2. And now what we need to do, we need to show a button so that we can export each page as an image file. So for doing this, after this for loop, we need to show, create a variable image buffer bytes.io. Then we will have the save method on this object page image buffer, and then the format of the image. So you can either provide PNG or JPG. I will provide JPG. And then we need to move this to the first image. So image buffer dot seek 0. And then we need to also show a download button for each image. So we'll be showing using the download button function inside Streamlit, and it takes 4 arguments. First is it actually takes the label of the button. So the label will be simply download page I+1. So as image, the second one will be the actual data that you need to download. So we need to download the actual image. So you will say image buffer, actual file name, the third argument, which will be the actual page. All the source code will be given in the description, so just can check out. And the fourth one is the mem type. So mem is equal to, for images, JPG images, it's image slash JPEG. So it takes four arguments. If you see, we have the label, then we have the data, file name, and the mem type. And just make sure that you write all this code in the for loop. So let me move this code to the for loop. So just after this all needs to be present in the actual for loop. So we need to do this for every page. So that's why for every page we do need to show a download button. So you will just need to move all this code in this for loop. You can see that. So for each page we are showing a download button to export each page as an image file. So which take four arguments. First is a label, second is the data, file name, and the mem type. So if you now refresh your application, you will actually see, if you select a PDF document. Now if you see, after get an unexpected argument file name. So this needs to be file underscore name. Every time I make this mistake, this is actually file underscore name. So if you select now the PDF document, so for each page there will be this download button appearing at the bottom. So you will export this page as a image JPG file. You will see that. So the quality looks tremendous, which is, this is the second page. So in this way you can take any PDF document. So for each page it will show a export button at the bottom. So you can export the page as a JPG image file. So this is the application. So if you need the full source code, the link is given in the description. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of free tools related to audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.